So today's tutorial is on dependent sources, current controlled current sources. We have a single node pair circuit here, which means it has two nodes, one at the top and one at the bottom. We will label the top node V0, label the bottom node ground, and we're going to use KCL to solve this problem where current in equals current out. So the current into the node is 6 amps. The current out is I0 over 4, and the current through the 8 ohm. So 6 equals I0 plus I0 over 4 plus V0 over 8. Sometimes when you have a dependent source, you need a constraint equation that relates the controlling variable, in this case I0, to some other variable. So we're going to relate I0 and V0 and have that V0 equals 2 I0. Then we're going to substitute equation 2 into equation 1, which yields 6 equals I0 plus I0 over 4 plus 2 I0 over 8. So 6 is equal to 1 plus 1/2 times I0. So I0 is equal to 6 divided by 1.5, or 4 amps, and V0 is equal to 2 times I0, which is 8 volts, and the dependent source is 4 divided by 4, which is 1 amp.